from 20 to 25 feet long, and they can weigh 200 to 300 pounds. Pythons are not venomous, but they are constrictors. They make use of their powerful muscles to squeeze and overpower their prey. Okay, sir, what can you say about Maxine? You're holding a bigger snake now.
I'm scared.
Here, don't worry, Maxine is super friendly. How about you, Miss Faye? What can you say about Maxine?
She's really friendly.
Friendly, not sure. Okay, how about you, ma'am? You're holding near the head. What can you say about Maxine?
Scared.
Don't be scared. Maxine is super friendly. Is it your first time to touch an animal like this?
Yes.
And I think it's a great experience for you, right?
Yes.
Only here in